Hey, what's up, everyone? Do you ever feel like you're putting in all the work at the gym, eating all the food, but you're just not seeing the numbers on the scale go up? Or maybe you're tired of being called skinny or lanky and you're ready to finally make a change. Short dynamic cut to a quick shot of you lifting weights or preparing a healthy meal. Then you're in the right place. Welcome to the 30-day Massive Gain Challenge. This isn't just another how-to video. This is a full-on community challenge where we're all going to work together to put on some serious healthy weight. And guess what? I'm doing it right alongside you. So, how does this work? For the next 30 days, I'm going to be your coach, your teammate, and your accountability partner. I'll be sharing a brand new video every single day with a clear, simple task for us to complete. Here's a sneak peek at what's coming. Custom workouts designed specifically for muscle and weight gain. Delicious, easy-to-make recipes that are calorie-dense but don't taste like cardboard. Mental strategies to stay motivated and overcome those tough days. And my secret weapon, the daily check-in. This is where you come in. After you complete each day's task, I want you to go down to the comment section and type in day number complete and tell us one thing you're proud of today. This isn't about perfection. It's about showing up every single day and doing the work. When you comment, you're not just telling me you did it, you're motivating everyone else in this community. We'll be able to see who's on the journey with us and cheer each other on. I'll be reading every single comment and I'll even be shouting out some of you in future videos. So, are you ready to stop wishing and start gaining? Here's your first mission. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single day. Once you've done that, go to the comments below and tell me. What is your biggest frustration when it comes to gaining weight? Let's do this. It's time to get big. I'll see you in the next video for day 1.